How to turn on game mode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on game mode on your iPhone. It's super quick and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So to enable game mode on iPhone, first open any games on your phone. Let's say I'm opening the Candy Crush, or you can even open any other games that you have installed. And once the game loads, you should see a message at the top saying game mode has turned on, or you might see a welcome back message from the game center. But if it doesn't show that and you are unsure whether game mode is active, simply swipe down from the top right to open the control center. And here at the top you'll see the name of your game along with game mode. So here, as you can see, game mode is on by default. So whenever you launch the game mode is automatically turned on. And if you want to turn it off, just tap on the game mode in the control center and toggle it off. And to turn it back on, simply tap on it again. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable game mode on your iPhone in just few simple taps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.